Hi everyone, this is Woomake Creations here, G and Sherry, here to demonstrate the Burk's Beauty block. And first you're going to want to lay the block out how you're going to want it with pieces 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so we have pieces 1 and 2, and this is the way they were oriented, so I'm just going to flip this over and sew this from edge to edge, corner to corner, however you want to call it, from here to here at a 1/4 inch, and then we're going to press it open and we'll be back. Okay, so after you've done the piece number 2 to number 1, it should look like this, and we're going to go press it open. Okay, we've got 1 and 2 together. Now we're going to put number 3 on, so we're going to lay it like we want to see it. And then we're going to flip this over and line up from this corner to this corner and sew a 1/4 inch. Okay, so now we've sewn on piece number 3. We're going to go press this open and we'll be right back. Okay, so here we have 1, 2, and 3 together. Now we're going to place 4 where it's going to be going, and then we're going to flip it over. Now you want to be conscious of this side over here. You want this to line up properly right here, and pull it across. It's going to be uneven over here, but that's okay. Okay, so after you've sewn that 4th piece on, this is what it should look like, and now we'll go and press it open. Okay, we've pressed that 4th piece open, and if you'll notice over here that you've got a little dog ear, you can either cut that off or you can leave it. It's up to you. If it's going to get on your nerves, cut it off. If it's not, then just leave it, because now you're going to place your 5th piece, 5th and final piece, right here, and flip it over, and now you're going to sew it from corner to corner. Just match your 2 corners up, this corner to this corner, and you'll be finished. Okay, so we've sewn our 5th and final piece on. Now we're going to go press it open, and we'll have a finished block. All right, here is our finished block. Is that not a beauty? You can see how versatile this block is, and you can show off 5 fabrics in one block. I think it's awesome. All right, here we are with the finished Burk's Beauty block, designed by Gail Burk for Martelli Enterprises, shown here on my Martelli cutting mat so that you can see it a little easier. Sherry and I from Woomake Creations really hope that you enjoy making this as much as we did.